In this video, we are going to learn COUNTIF function. We have learned count function, but here it is little bit different. If certain condition is fulfilled, then count, otherwise not. First, I will explain you the scenario. Cell from H5 to H9, there is written yes and no both. We have to count only yes written cell. Here there are only 3 yes. It is very easy to count, but if we have 100 and 1000 of record and we have to count, it is very difficult to count one by one. Here COUNTIF function is very useful and helpful. So let's get started with COUNTIF function. First we will select cell F12, this one. Then type equal sign. Then write COUNTIF. Then do double click. We have to fulfill this to both condition, range and criteria. Here our range is from H5 to H9 cell. So we will select H5 to H9 cell. Then press comma sign. And next one is criteria. Our criteria is count yes. So we will write yes in double inverted comma like this. Now next step is close bracket sign like this. Now press enter. We got the answer and answer is 3 over here. So like this we can use COUNTIF function. Try this COUNTIF function in your Excel worksheet and I will see you in next video.